This is the Wak Wak Golf and Country Club here at the Shaw Boulevard. And again, we're celebrating our Ateneo Golden Jubilee, Batch 75. And we start with registration together with my friends Boy Sibug and Rafi Di Malanta, together with their beautiful wives. So this is going to be the venue for tonight's revelry. And these are the streamers. Yes, we celebrating 50 years of friendship, one big fight. And both Jimmys are here, Jimmy Abraham and Jimmy Tanhanko, together with a beautiful wife. Yes, we're going to be dancing and singing after the Mass. So this is actually hosted by one of our contemporaries, that's Choi Kuwangko, and that's Father Nato Kaluwag. And he's celebrating the Mass for the Jubilarians while the food is being prepared. And as you can see, most of my classmates are really very religious. That's Enteng Francisco, Rafi Di Malanta, and again, Charlie Villarama, together with other classmates like F. Balboa and Tony Antonio, together with one of the directors of Wak Wak. You know, my problem is I seem to forget their names. But anyway, the most important part is we are celebrating. I can see Jerry Anonas with John Hechanova, with Louis Rabat. And again, the famous Jesuit priest Nato Kaluwag is here to celebrate the Ateneo Golden Jubilee, bluest 50 years of friendship at the Ateneo High School. So our batch was able to contribute 1 million pesos. I believe this is going to be for some scholarship funds donated by our contemporaries, Ateneo High School, Wisdom, 1975. And we do it almost every year. So this is already the communion. That's, I believe that's Choi Kuwangko. And this is Bichik Di Balanta giving some speech. Right now, the Mass is over. It lasted, I believe, almost 1 hour. And we're just waiting before we start enjoying the party. But first, we have to enjoy the food. Hi, Jan B. And that's Mr. Ozaita, King Ozaita. Yes, these are the good old friends saying hello to each other. And that's Norma Reyes, our class representative of High School Ateneo. And these are other friends of ours from the same year. This is Mr. Tinchanko. Wow, this is the famous director. Yes, so many awards given to him already. He's the one shooting for his classmates. We are just so lucky. We have so many generous Ding at Chocoso. We have so many generous classmates. That's Norman again, Norman Reyes, together with Charlie and Jimmy Abraham, who survived the 4-stage cancer. Hey, Jimmy, you're a fighter. And today we're going to see most of our classmates who were already dead by this time. And all the classmates and friends, contemporaries who couldn't make it will also be shown on the video prepared by the group representatives. Yes, look at those smiles. We're all happy we're still alive. Last week, we were just in Vigan, and so many golf tournaments of this celebration of 50 years. So with me now is Charlie Villarama. Sino yung mga kaklase natin? Andy Niñagas.
Si Jun Dalandan, si Jimmy Season, Bernie, Si Jeff Ramos, si Noel Bate, Doctor. Yeah.
Alala mo lahat yun. Ang gagaling ng mga singers,
yeah.
Very professional
Ano ni Choi yan, no?
Yes, mga groups ni Choi pagka nakikinig sa strums.
Yeah.
That's Choi Cojuangco, by the way. Maraming salamat, Choi.
Yes, thank you very much. Ayan, si Henry Abrio tsaka si Louie yan from California. Si Henry
Rafi Bihar.
Yeah. Ayan,
Jeff Ramos again.
And Louie yan.
Sino yung isa? Yung naka-shirt, yung naka-stripes.
Ito si Robbie Mello from Canada.
Robbie Mello, wow. Galing ng member mo from Canada.
Yeah.
Mike Season.
Alden Meneses. Yan, nakatayo. Si Jess Varela, F. Balboa, Gas Narciso, Verco, si
Tony Antonio.
Yeah, Mike Season yun. Norman.
All smile sila. They're all happy, celebrating.
Happy. Yes. Ito mga athletes yata. Oo, mga basketball player, volleyball player sila. Louis Hepuela, si
Anonas,
si Andy Nanyagas, Rabat,
and me, of course.
John Boy. Oh yeah,
pero
ikaw vlogger eh.
Pero wala ako diyan. All right, ito yung ating mga host for the night. And by the way, yung Rene Dalandan, siyang magpe-play ng music. Concert artist yun, pare.
Yes.
Rene Dalandan.
Yes.
And in a few seconds, we're gonna hear from him. So after hearing Sputnik, let's talk about our classmates. Si ano yun?
Si Tito Araneta from Canada.
Yes.
Tapos si John Dison, Milo Damlao. Yeah, I don't know where Milo is from. In the States or in Canada. This is Ricky Francisco. I know he's from Vancouver, Colombia, British Columbia, Canada. He's a musician and a guitar player. Yeah, very good one. Claro Gomez. From the East Coast in USA.
Oh, kilala mo.
Yeah.
Taga-US ka kasi.
Oh, no. Sino to? Si
Jun
Katigbak. Yes. Maybe he's US-based. I'm not sure. But I know Dr. Joy Ravago is a
hello, Doc.
medical doctor from the Watsonville area in California.
Yan ang classmates abroad. Charlie Villarama, special thanks to Jay Cruz.
Jay Cruz, thank you very much, Jay, for organizing, doing all the hard work and setting all this up. Jay Cruz, you said this is all for the love of the batch. So,
correct.
Very short, no speeches and stuff.
No speeches. Very humble guy, pare. Yes. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw. So we're gonna talk for you, Jay.
Yes.
Maraming salamat sa iyo, Jay. Charlie, the maestro.
Si Maestro Rene Dalandan from New York, straight from New York, will lead us in the song. He's gonna play the keyboards for the song Mary for You.
Charlie, that song Mary for You, tama ba?
Oh, yeah.
Hail Mary. And then,
no, it's Mary for You.
For
You.
You.
Dedicated to the Virgin Mary.
Correct.
Yeah.
Alam mo, every time I hear that Ateneo song, kakaroon ako ng goosebumps.
I know. Ako rin.
Really?
One big fight. Yeah,
correct. Anyway, papakinggan natin siya kung paano niya gagawin, no? At let's hear it from Mr. Rene Dalandan. It's back to Charlie Villarama.
Ayan, sila Choy, mga kaklase niya, nagsama-sama. Rafi Bihar, Henry Abreu, Bobby Agustin, and Boy Bustamante.
Si Boy.
Yan.
Si Sputnik.
Sputnik, Norman, Nani, Ding, Milo.
By the way, Norman's our
Sputnik.
class representative.
Ay, asawa ni Ding, si Tamar. Hi, Tamar. Ayan, sila
All
sweet
smile.
na sweet, ha?
Wow. Akinggit.
Oh.
Anyway, hindi
Yan.
natin pwedeng lagyan ng audio to, but they were really very, very good singers.
Yep. Si Choy, tsaka si Bernie Rodribrado ba? I forget his last name, but
Okay.
it's Bernie. Yes.
Bernie, that's Bernie.
Yep. Ayan, 4-0. Oh, ako yan.
Oh, ikaw yan.
Benjo Tabios.
Kaklase mo yan?
And toasting with Mike Ampil. Yan.
Yes, Mike Ampil.
Yes,
Kasama ko sa sa Officers Club.
Officers Club. Yan.
Ito na yata yung gathering of all the
Yes.
jubilarians.
Oo, ang dami ha. Dami rin.
Mga ilan ang nagpunta rito, Charlie?
I'm not sure. Siguro mga 50 or more, no? Siguro
I think more.
More?
Ballroom to pa
I
eh.
know.
Maybe at least 100.
Oh, nga.
Alam mo,
Oo,
masaya talaga after hindi nakita for 50 years.
50 years, oo. Grabe, hindi mo makilala na yung iba. Ang daming buhok, walang buhok.
Imagine people like
balbas.
you came all the way from the States just to join us.
Yes. I won't miss this. 50th, you know?
Correct. Tsaka alam mo, gusto ko yung ginawa nila sa documentary. Ito yung mga namatay natin, mga contemporaries.
Oo.
You know, binigyan ng acknowledgement.
Right.
Okay.
Tsaka
Oh, yes, si Bichik de Malanta.
Giving us commands.
Correct.
Oo.
Anyway, everybody still kicking Still kicking, ha?
Oo, yes.
Nag-goal pa nga iba, hindi lang kicking, eh.
Not following instructions daw.
Yun, one big fight daw.
Oo nga.
One big fight.
Ayan. Yun. Ayan.
Everybody happy. That's the most important in life. One big fight, according to them. So, by the way, wow, this venue is in Wak Wak, in sa may Shaw Boulevard, no?
Yeah, Grand Ballroom, no?
Correct. Ayan.
Yan si Gas. Dixie Roa.
Dixie Roa.
Johnny Coquin, Rene Dalandan. Enteng was there. Si Enteng.
Oh, ito na yung sayawan. Charlie, do you dance yourself?
No, I don't. I have two left feet. Two left feet. Yeah, so ayan, mga dancers natin yung mga si Doc Mon Marin and Iggy Dairita.
Wait a minute, Doc Marin, yung magaling sa doktor yan, sa anong tawag doon?
Urologist ba?
Sabi niya.
Bichik.
Oh, yes, Bichik.
Si Rafi, wow. Yeah.
Ay naman yung wife,
Rafi, sayo ka naman dyan.
Yung 1 million natin. Binuhat ni John Boy.
Yeah.
Ayan na naman mga magagaling singers. Pasensya na kayo, we cannot put music here kasi I will get banned by YouTube. So kami dalawa ni Charlie dito. We just have to talk it out. Oh, sino yung mga sumayaw na yun?
Oh, yan. Ito na, si Mr. and Mrs. Jimmy Tanhangko.
Yes. Ayaw sumayaw ni Jimmy.
Ayaw.
Hindi mahilig sumayaw.
Ano kinakwento ni Berko dito? He's got all the people there captured sa sinasabi niya.
Yeah. Wow, look at this guy, ha?
Henry Abreu with Bichik. Yes.
Alam mo, yan ang contemporary ko na madalas kami magkita. Because we've been friends for such a long time. Sino tong kasayaw?
Vinny Halandoni.
That's Vinny Halandoni. Wow, he's such a good dancer.
Ballroom dancer. Swing, no?
Yun nga lang, medyo nakalbo na.
Yeah.
Dati ba mababuk niyan?
Of course.
Oh, yeah?
Lahat tayo. Sino ba naman kalbo na high school, Unless na nag-CAT, PMT, no?
Ang galing sumaw. Eto na, asawa ni Jimmy. Biro mo, napakinabangan si Henry Abreu.
DI pala si Henry. DI.
Naku, pag narinig ka, matatawa yun. Ba't tinawag akong DI na mga yon? Magaling din sumayaw ang beautiful wife ni Jimmy Tanhangko. Look at that,
Wow.
At saka maganda, hindi lang magaling na dancer, smiling face.
Yes, I agree. Yes.
Magaling magdala si Itong si Henry Abreu. Ito
na.
na.
Gas. Simon Cabochan and Sibog Capo. Yan na. Group picture. Boy, Jimmy, Rafi, Bichik, Peter Chan. Oy, sayo uli siya.
Talagang ganado. Ito si Evelyn Sibog.
Let's see how Evelyn swings and dances.
Sayang di mo sinama ang asawa mo.
Bumalik na. She went back to actually will be watching this video.
What's the name of your wife?
Christina.
Hello, Christina.
And my son Miko was here. And then say to Doc Chris Naldo Villarama. Hello, guys.
But I'm sure if they watch this, at least sabihin ng wife mo, binati naman ako ng aking loving husband na si Charlie.
Yes.
Pero sayang, they could have enjoyed this,
Of course, yeah. They will. She's a dancer. She likes to dance.
Uy, Benji Cabrera. The eye doctor.
Yes. Louis Puela, si Andy Naniagas, Doc Tony Dance, Rene Dalandan, and
with Choy Kuwangko.
With Choy. Yan, si Rafi. Dr. Rafi.
Oops. The first guy to sing is Iggy Dairita. Yes, we're recording their voice.
Sabi niya.
The one day. Ito. Si George.
Benjo Tavius, attorney.
Ikaw yan.
The best yan.
The best. Ang dami mong assistant dyan, pare. Ikaw, hindi ko pa.
Oo nga. Minumview ako.
Anyway, basta nag-enjoy ka. Nahiya ko man pa yan. Nililid lang talaga.
Malayo na. Tapos ayaw na ibitawan yung mic.
Problema, hindi ka naman nakikinig. Papaalam mo sila.
Don Villanueva and Nani Lim.
Muna ako.
Tom Gopez from California.
Magpa-vlog muna ako. Sila Jimmy Tanhangko. Yan. vlogger, ito na ang pictures natin, no? And this is already the ending of our story. Yan, si Joy Coangco.
Ikaw, Rolly, Butch Montano, and myself.
Montano. Talagang, after 50 years, things have changed, especially the hair and the stomach.
Si Nani Lim and Doji Villanueva.
Correct. Uy, Osman si Doji. He's a good doctor, taga Batangas daw.
Batangas, yeah. Lito Roque from Canada.
Si Bobby. Sino katabi ni Bobby?
Mike Ampil.
Oh, Mike Ampil. Rafi Bihar.
Si Bobby Agustin.
Yes. Alam mo, maganda rin yung ginagawa natin. No? Every year naman, except this year, it's 50 years.
Oo nga. Special ngayon.
Yeah. I never thought aabutin natin to.
Yeah.
Uy, yung mag-asawa, all smiles.
Bilis ng oras. Ayun, sumasaya pa rin.
Sumasayo pa rin si Big Chick.
Toast. Cheers.
Toast to the good life.
Yes.
Maraming salamat, Joy Coangco, ha?
Yeah, salamat, Joy.
And acting musicians.
Ding and Daymar.
Sputnik,
direct.
yes.
Boy Bustamante, Rafi, Henry, Bobby.
All smiles. Ayan, nakatalikod si John Boy.
Nakukuha na pala rin tayo yung vlogger, ha?
Paminsan-minsan. Pag merong kumukuha yan, sila Jeff, yung pinaka-strongman natin yan, pare.
Oh, yeah. Powerlifting.
Correct.
Si Luyan and Henry Abreu. Yeah.
So after this 50th, ano susunod? May 60th pa ba?
Plus 10 siguro.
Plus 10?
Yeah, plus 10, 60th.
Si Nani, So every plus 10 pala merong celebration. Every plus 10 years.
Siyempre.
Uy, ikaw na naman.
Plus 5 lang eh. Kung maabot natin ba?
Bobby
Rastulio.
Yes, all smiles, Bobby.
John Boy and Dixie Roa.
Dixie Roa.
Yan, si Leo Dominguez, si Peter Chan, and Jimmy Tanangco. Yan, mga honorary members ng high school.
Virgilio. Maraming salamat. We're about to end. Hope to see you again. Maybe after 10 years. Thank you for watching.